Hello everybody, it's Inex here. In this tutorial I will show you how you can create a seamless pattern in Photoshop. Our first step is to go to View and select Pattern Preview. After that we zoom out and we start to create our pattern we would like to use in the future. When we are done with our pattern, we go to Edit and Define Pattern. We give a name for it and press OK. And then, when we have a new project and we want to use our own pattern, we go to Patterns and search for it. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for similar videos.